Wierd. You missed two of that, right? Okay, so here's how to fold it. You want to fold it this way here. Why are you eating a toast sandwich? Okay, fold it here. And then push it here. Open it, then it should have a crease. Do the same thing with the other side. And then you should have this. Turn it over and fold it until you see this in like imaginary line. Fold this side until you see that imaginary line. Make sure your creases are good. Okay, then you should have this. Turn it around so it should have like a bump. Like, do you see that bump right there? Okay. Then do this and push in the middle so everything should really just like pop up. Then fold these two down and then fold this part down so it should have a triangle. Okay, fold these sides up to the top point. And then do the same thing with the other side. Okay, and fold these sides like here. So it should look like that. Do the same thing with the other side, so it should kind of look like a kite.
Yep.
That's what you said. Okay, then fold these two parts down. Why does it always make squeaky noises? Okay, then this is the tricky part. This was the tricky part for my mom. That's actually not that tricky. Okay, so you want to fold this part until you see those little holes. And take these little ones, put them in here. So it's like they're getting warm. Okay, fold in. Then do the same thing with the other side. And then turn it around. You're almost done. Then fold it here. And then fold it here again. So you want to like fold it up and then fold it down. Do the same thing with the other side. Okay, then I need to tell you how you hold it. So you have these two, you see this right here? Fold these parts in, fold them down a little bit, and you should see a tiny little hole. Put your fingers in there. And then this is how it flies, as you saw in YouTube. 3, 2, 1. It flies kind of like this a little bit. 3, 2, 1.
I missed it. Do it again.
Okay. Maybe I'll stand up for this one.
Got it.
3, 2, 1.
It's a glider, right?
Yeah. Oh.
Oh, it's like a boomerang on that one. Okay, go stand by the TV and then do it this way. Go around. Nope.
Okay, bye.